JBL Flip 6 versus JBL Charge Essential 2. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm gonna give you a detailed comparison between these two, and by the end of this video you will have a clear picture which one is better and which one should you buy. So I have created this table for you in which I have added all of the features that are available between these two, and based on these features we are going to compare these two speakers. So first of all, if we talk about the type, then both of these are portable Bluetooth speaker. Next, if we talk about the driver configuration, so the Flip 6 has the racetrack shaped driver and a separate tweeter, whereas the Essential 2 has the 2x full range drivers. So which one is better? It actually depends on the sound performance. Next, if we talk about the output power, then in the Flip 6 it is w 20 WRMS for woofers and 10 WRMS for tweeters, whereas in the JBL Charge Essential it is 20 WRMS. So in this segment the JBL Flip 6 wins. Next, if we talk about the frequency response, battery life, battery capacity, charging time, waterproof rating, and the Bluetooth version, then in both of all of these features, the JBL Flip 6 wins because it is better than the JBL Charge Essential 2. As you can see that the battery life is up to 12 hours in it, whereas in the Essential 2 it is 20 hours. So in this segment the JBL Charge 2 wins. If we talk about the battery capacity, then it is also more in the Charge Essential. So other than these two factors, the JBL Flip 6 wins, but in my opinion these two factors are the most important one, in which the JBL Charge Essential is the clear winner. If we talk about the wireless range, then both of these has the same wireless range. Both of these has the do not have the speaker phone. The both voice assistant integration is also not available in these two. If we talk about the USB charging, then it supports the USB type C, and the second one, the Essential one, supports the micro USB. So if we talk about the dimensions, so it actually depends on the portability preferences, so it actually depends on you. Both of these comes in various variety of colors, but as you can see that the JBL Flip 6 has a lot of colors, whereas the JBL Charge Essential has only black color. If we talk about their price range, then both of these comes in the mid-range price segment. As you can see that both of these has around $100 difference in both of these pricing. So as you can see that it is clear from the table that which one you can buy. So if you prioritize the sound quality, portability, and the modern feature and quicker charging, the Flip 6 is a better choice for you. But if you need a speaker with a longer battery life and the larger capacity, the Charge Essential 2 is more suitable. So I will put the best buying links of both of these down in the description as well, so you can check that out. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.